At first, many thought this man was about to cook bone soup. However, it turns out he was creating a natural refrigerator inspired by the Mongolian way. The process involves freezing water in a large container. Once the water freezes, he drills a hole in the center and removes the unfrozen water inside, forming an empty space to store meat. Next, he pours hot water over the container to make it easier to remove the ice. This method is highly effective for protecting meat from spoilage, preserving its taste, and maintaining its quality for an extended period. Meanwhile, the bones in the bucket serve as a handle for the lid. Have you ever had a refrigerator like this?